Hi. Oh, assets that are openly entered. Let's see what they were. Easy. That was the Balashnikov. Pickup. Ah, okay. So, yeah, we don't need that. A weapon blueprint Balashnikov. We got a little self-retriggering gate loop that. What's that? Let's clean these up a little bit. And there we go. It's by the way, Achita Games is streaming right now. You should probably watch him if you're watching me and not him, because he's a little bit more accomplished than I am, I believe, in the old Unreal engines. So check him out. This is BP weapon basic. Weapon BP shotgun. BP pickup spawner. Okay. Rare power ups got 1-up mortal Balashnikov, a shotgun. It is a point we could probably condense this down to a single thing, couldn't we? Wet BP shotgun, wet BP Balashnikov. So this is event W Balashnikov. And this is event W shotgun. So if we go to that. Oh, hello. Let's get rid of that on-screen text before I forget. I don't think it's really worth my time right now cleaning that up, because I don't think there's going to be that many power-ups, but we could have an input, and when we call it, we could give it the class, and then instead of having one for each one, we just put the class that we get in from event pickup. We can put that in now, right? So that's web pickup universal. Is that too long a name? That's fine. And then we'd have actor class reference class. Actor. Class reference. There we go. So that's the weapon prototype, weapon pickup universal. And yeah, that would be cool. We'll use that one day, I'm sure. I struggle to consider what else we have to do apart from the fact that the environment's garbage and we don't have any actual 3D meshes. These aren't things that I'm learned in. I am not practiced in the art of wrangling 3D boys. Which I'm very sorry. Very sorry to say. Today could be a learning experience. Yeah, put me through the ringer in Blender. Have fun. I don't like this. I don't like... I feel like I'd probably prefer to have an intersecting bit of shit going on there instead of this weird... Instead of this weirdness. It was kind of frustrating that there's no like... there's no split function in the game, you know? Do you know what I do want to do? In the pickups. Oh, hello. Got this guy. Viewport me. Viewport me, laddo. Cool. That's pretty cool. I like how these sparkly boys are still yellow despite this. And I need the coin as well. Because I want to add like a 1-up that hovers over the top of it. So if you get our coin BP viewport. So we've got so that's within the thing. So this is rotation locked. Okay. Text. Hello? Can I am I editing this or what? Where is my text? Where's my text? I'm expecting to zoom out and see it somewhere or not. Very helpful. Zoom in and see it. Very good. Very, very good. Oh. Yeah, we've got the widget, and that's it. We've got the gizmo, and that's it. Try again. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that font. What's this font face? That is okay. BM font 01. Hot boy. Size 24. Yeah, so what's up with this? Obviously, it's not working. Oh yeah, this is 4.23. I don't have 3D text render. Is that gonna work? Great, we've we've got our first buggo of the evening. Oh. Good. How do I apply a custom font for text render? Answers on real questions 3808. Are the imported fonts not working? .html. Here we go. Right click, materials and textures, font, content browser. Does not matter what font I import every time I apply. Text renders turns into a bunch of incomprehensible symbols. Try messing around with font size text, even though no avail. Blah blah blah. Things to UV offsets are all wrong. It's not fun. Thanks for applying on anyone's facing it. You create a new texture material which references the corresponding font. Yes, it still doesn't work. Didn't work for me using 4.5 lol. Point your font as usual. Something. Good. Good. Embed the font data within the assets. Consume more memory than streaming, however, is guaranteed to be hitch free. Only valid for font data with a font face asset. Sure. good. Cargo Bay DFF font. There is no distance field anything here. Open the newly imported font by double-clicking in the content browser in the details panel of the font editor. Font editor? Font editor. Font editor. Is this the font editor? I think I don't think this is relevant for our version of Unreal. If I'm perfectly honest with you, I don't think that's. There is no font. Okay, you know what? Delete that. Save. Add a text random. Huh. Yeah, so we need this. Sure, whatever. So we're just gonna have to score some points to see if that works. Oh, I could have disabled all the other power-ups in the thing, didn't I? Oh well. Oh look, it's a shotgun. Oh look, it's another shotgun. A third shotgun. I know it's... oh goddamn. I know it's like the most OP thing, but... let me... oh, it's a machine gun. Excellent. Aha! And the text... ah! The text is just straight up front facing, so... delete. We're gonna have to make a mesh or something for that. We're gonna have to make some meshes, aren't we? This is the bit that I didn't want to do. Can't we just fix some bugs instead of making 3D? I don't want to do any 3D. No. We can at least hello. You can't marquee select in this thing. Get out. That's the only other thing we can do. I do actually want to. I want to address a problem that we've got. Yeah, I wanna grab it in this view. Here we go. Not that view. Front. There we go. Oh, you gotta be this way, man. What's my snapping on? Literally, hello. Wait, what did I just move? I moved the right thing. Fuck out of here with that. Let's just get it to a major grid line, and then we'll turn the snapping to a different. We can nudge, right? We cannot nudge. Okay, so that's they. That is not they. That is they. So I could have sworn we can nudge in this. If we move it 50 that way, and we move that 50 that way, that can be cool. Yeah, that looks cool. I think we've got some foliage. It's got some foliage. This is lookup tables. It says LUT. We don't we don't need lookup tables. I just want some foliage, you know. Meadow environment set. Open world demo collection. Plants pack. Yo, this looks like it's got some plants in it. This looks like it might work out for us. I hope it puts it just up here in content. I hope it's like plant pack in the content folder, please. This is such a bad idea downloading while I'm streaming. What was I thinking? I'm gonna put some plants in these. Is it pointless? Yes, but there's a big bug with my game that isn't to do with programming. So there's a flat wall, a flat invisible wall, I should say. Here, the place is rectangular, but we have this That one's fine. I don't care about that one. But we have this weird fillet with a door, which seems like a place you can go to, but I just want to make it absolutely perfectly clear that you cannot get there. I'm going to put some planters. I'm going to put some plants in it. I'm going to put some plants in these ones as well. But I think these are just going to stay as bollards. Because, why not? Geometry editing. Geometry. Actually, do you know what? If I just select this, and I pull it up, and scale it down, and undo that because I remembered that doing stuff like that is not what we do. We layout. Can we go back to our 4-pane? Subtractive. Top. There we go. And front. So yeah, well done. Is it shift click, control click? I don't see these all selecting. That is actually doing it. Okay. Hey, did it put it in the content folder? Isn't that great? We got a little cutout there, and it beautiful little cutout. How do I select this? This is planter cutout. Yeah. We're gonna need another one. There. Should be lined up, so that should be fine. Whip on back to our 1-pane. Plants pack materials. Cliff material looks like it could be good. Cliff material doesn't sound like it could be good. That's a lot of spin. That is a lot of spin. PC, what you spinning for? PC stop. This is not in the right place. Look at that. I dragged it the wrong direction apparently. Is that like one off? No, it's fine. It's wow. It's disgusting. This is for a very specific purpose, isn't it? Someone's gonna chime in. Is it important that you have... What the fuck? Bruh. No. Oh, I don't want maps. Maps, delete. Correct. Delete. I think that is the sound of one of my hard drives. I think it's the new one. I think it's the 4 terabyte, which makes me sad because I don't think hard drives are meant to sound like that. It sounds more like a. I mean, I want to say it sounds like an AIO pump or a fan catching on. Has Unreal frozen? You really gonna do this to me, Unreal? You gonna leave me in the dark? I don't need any of that stuff. Oh, CPU spikes to 100% there. Um, he's trying his best. Oh, hey, what's this? Landscapes pack. Cool. There's some landscapes. Oh my god. Modern city downtown with modular building. Oh, with interiors. Megapack. Modular and older urban buildings. I remember the bulk of it. We're just looking at this because Unreal has decided to chug. Please don't chug, Unreal. Uh-oh. So how are you today? What's going on? What's happening? I just figured we didn't need it. I just figured it would be nice to put it in the project. You know, grab the mesh, grab the flowers that I want to put in the level. I don't need the levels that the guys made for preview. I don't need. Now I understand. I was watching that Unreal Engine tutorial where they were talking about water, and he prototypes a game from some stuff from the marketplace. And he says usually he has a project, just an empty project that he imports stuff into so that he can harvest the good bits. Now I see that's a really, really good idea. I wish these were. I wish this. 4 gig. Wow. Gun. Whoops, there it is right at the bottom. Is it done yet? Full disclosure, my PC has been on for. Oh wow. What do you mean OBS is using 64% GPU? It's not though, is it? Because I only have 21% GPU usage here on HW Info. Unless that's crashed. Epic Games launch is fine. Steam is open. Yeah, let's close Steam. Don't need that. Don't need that. The rest of it's fine. Yeah, Unreal Engine 4 editor is not responding. When was our last save though? It's not doing anything. Oh, it's using 7% CPU and that's it. Haha. I'm a funny man. Because I can hear. Yeah, it is not responding. Good. So I can hear my PC doing things. It's thinking about something. Oh, it loaded. Nah. And look, we didn't even lose that much data. We just this box. Good slam. Just this box. I moved it over to the wrong position. So we can just move that over to the right position. I don't know what it's lining up with here. Oh, is it? It's a different boy that it's lining up with. That's what's going on. I don't know what happened. Why is it such a weird shape? Like, I swear I snapped it 5 in from the other one, and the other one's in the same. Oh. It is just a weird shape. Okay. That's fine. One pane layout, safe current, please. Please. Mesh. Okay. Interesting. No. Okay. Ah, there we go. Do we not have like a... Oh, okay. There's no like bush. These some wild meshes we got. And I got them for free. Oh, we can get rid of that. It's trying real hard. There we go. Some wild grass. How big is this boy? It's quite large. It's where the flip has it put it? In the floor. All right. Okay. That is very big. Round small. Maybe Maybe some of these. Oh, that is really big still. Oh. Maybe we can wrangle them. Maybe we can just... I'm such a bad person. You should not allow me to have your stuff. I'm only going to abuse it. Ah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. We should make them less tall as well. And we should spin them around so they're facing... They are 2D. They are straight up just 2D boys. Alright. Can you even see that from all the way up at Cameraland here? I don't think you can. I think this is a wasted effort. Oh wow, that's so disappointing. We need something bigger and more, no, I need the... I want to save it, and I want to delete the plants pack. Get out of my game. Oh god. Yeah, we can spend this time. We can spend this time browsing the stuff that I have already. Landscape stamps from not from Brushify. Meadow environment, no. Nature package. Nature package. Oh, there was the... There. Ah, this has got little bushes and shit in it. Don't add. Is this it's still responding, so we'll give it a sec. It's not responding, is it? Add to project, Bubbleman. We'll add it now. Can I remove from project? Yeah, okay. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of save. Content, here we go. So that was the plants pack. I'm just going to delete the folder. And we're installing the nature package now. So that should be good. Look at it go. 5 megabytes a second. Blazing, lad. Fastest download speeds this side of... Oh, I've got a red bar on OBS. Yeah, I know. That's what you get. That's what you get when you download and upload at the same time. You get a red bar on OBS. I think it's in now. Did it do? Did it finish? Immersive dark ambient music. It is. Cache size 400 meg. Slightly bigger than the last one. This is obviously gonna throw a hissy fit because I deleted a folder of content. It's gonna be like, I really don't get it. Oh, it didn't throw a hissy fit. Everything's in the right position, and if we just go back to our one pane, beautiful. Nature package materials ground terrain ground no materials flora This is actually, these are the materials used on the plants. Bark. Maybe we can use the bark as like a mulch. I've grabbed you. This is not a material instance, is it? It's just a material. Yeah. Yeah, I can live with that as like a little shitty mulch. We can click on that. Boom. Make it a bit smaller. Maybe rotate it 45 degrees. Save it. Throw it about. Nature package. Mesh. Boom. Ground. No. Flora. How big are these bush? Collision prims. Oh, right. It has no collision primitives. Good thing, really. Zont. Heat. Water plant. They're called lily pads. I don't know who made this. If you need to, at least I think that it looks like a lily pad from where I'm looking at it from. Good God. Yes, I may have made the mistake of downloading like non-gameplay assets. I don't think, sometimes I think a lot of the stuff that Unreal have been giving away recently has been like Archiviz. Non-gameplay stuff. Things optimized for cinematic frame rates, let's say. Or maybe not. Yeah, that's a lily pad, right? In fact, it looks more like a fucking... what you call it, leaf? What's that big plant? Not a yucca. The cheese plant? Cheese plant leaf. It doesn't have as many holes, but that's what it reminds me of. But yeah, definitely lily pad territory. See, there's even one with a rim there. That's what they're known for. Rims. Grass. Ivan T. Poisonous. Foxglove. Is it a foxglove plant or is it something else? It looks like a foxglove from the preview, but it's hard to tell with all these, just, with all this. It's really weird how flora has never really been like a 3D thing. It's always been like sticks and then pictures of flowers and leaves. Plants are actually exceedingly densely 3D. And if you look at a plant and then you play a video game with plants in it, it's not a foxglove. It's something. It's something different to a foxglove. But anyway, if you play a game with plants in it, right after looking at some plants, this one's actually not so bad. I was expecting it to look slightly different, so the effect is maintained. But still, plants are fairly squishy, so. Wow, that's not ridiculous. Why are these bushes so big, yo? What are you doing? Yeah, I can just scale them down. It's starting to get like real squashed when it gets that small though. It's really weird. You know what I mean? Whoa. Maybe not squashed enough. I'm just wasting time. I know. I'm putting off the inevitable. Why does this one look so weird? Is that better? I don't know if that's better. It's different. It's gonna have to do. Or Oduvanchiko. Oduvanchiko. Ramashka. Is this a content pack perhaps developed by a Eastern European gentleman? Zont. Alright, yeah, it's I've seen these before. What are they? Is that a wild daisy or something? They're real big. They are actually real big. I kinda wanted small stuff. But like impressive looking stuff. Boy, am I hard to shop for, huh? Eek. They're the same. They're the same boy, aren't they? No, they are different boy, but they are the same boy. Look, they're exactly the same. They even animated the same. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. They're gonna have to be like rotated offset so they don't look like they're. Oh, their animation is tied to world instead of local. Okay. So everything does the stuff together. I get it. That's cool. I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah, I'm good. Must be kind of dusty in here or something. I don't know. Dandelion. Yeah, okay. I'm down for it. They're kind of weeds, so no, I'm not down for them. What the hell? No. I do not accept your terms and conditions. The fuck? Why is it so big? If I put this here and then we move one of these boys over to the edge, yeah, I think this can work. I can't select the 3D boy because he's fucking moving. And there's like 800 things around him. So when I go back up to Cameraland, yeah, the flowers are practically swamped, but the bushes look good. Flowers 04 static Nash. Something tells me that... Where the hell is it? Something tells me that some of these things are in and of themselves like asset flips, you know? I just get the feeling like someone saw some stuff and they were like, yeah, I'll do that. I'll take it. I'll make money. But they didn't understand what they were taking sometimes, maybe. And so, I don't know. It just seems a bit weird how like some of them are really specifically named, like conifer, Odovancico, nettle, right? But then you've got flowers, bush. I don't know, man. Oh, one more in this left planter, I guess, and then I'll call that good enough. I'll put it between these two things. Alright, sure, we'll use that giant blue thing. But we are scaling it down. Please. Down. Please. Scale down. Scale up a little bit. Put a jaunty angle on it. Yeah, look, see, now you're discouraged from going over that way because there's some planters, some beautiful foliage. I think we fixed the coin thing. I don't know what happened with the coin thing. I swear I changed it like on stream. But when I rendered the program out, when I did the build, it just coins were not a thing. Coins did not want to do. Anyway, ignore all those errors. They're ignorable. Honestly, I'm at a loss of what to do with this other than, you know, cut my losses and learn 3D modeling, so I can do some 3D modeling. Would it be horrible if I did the 3D modeling in like more Autodesk? So I'm pretty sure I can do that. I'm pretty sure I can do 3D modeling in Autodesk and bring it over. I'm pretty sure I've done that before. But what I can't do in Autodesk is animation. So I wonder if I could do the 3D modeling in Autodesk, take it over to Blender, so I don't really feel comfortable using Blender to do anything. And I don't have the thing installed. I should install the thing. There's a plugin, right? For Blender. Do I just install it in Blender, or do I have to unpack it and install it myself? Blender Unreal Engine plugin. Send to Unreal Quick Start. Is an add-on that export FBX files from Blender remotely imports them into the Unreal Engine. In this video, you will learn how to get up and running with the add-on, how to immediately start using it in your own game development workflow. Epic is developing a Send to Unreal add-on for Blender. Let's all open Blender. I'd be happy if I can model a gun today. I'm not sculpting. I'm not doing 2D animation. I'm doing 3D sculpting. Doesn't say if they can file general. Am I sculpting? Oh no, this is oh. Ah! Oh. God damn it. I keep hitting the right mouse button instead of oh god, what have I done? This is not what I wanted to do. Sculpture draw. General. Do not save that abomination, please. Okay, so we've got a perspective, we got a cube. I'm getting like that. I'm getting like that feeling like I don't want to do this anymore. Do you know what? We can always scale stuff up, so don't save. I'm gonna go to Fusion 360, which is a beautiful modeling program, which everyone should love. We're gonna on the premise that the video game that I'm making right now is not for profit. Right? It's fine to use Fusion 360, right? I wish there were add-ons for Blender that made it more like Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is the best 3D modeling program on the planet. I mean, that okay, maybe that's hyperbole, but oh, it wants me to sign in. All right. All right. Six-digit code to my phone? Bro, can you afford to text me? Scooby-Dooby-Doop-Doop-Doop-Doop. Scooby-Dooby-Doop. Scooby-Dooby-Doop. Oh yeah, that's not good, is it? That's not good. Oh, another VOD that I'm gonna have to fucking edit. uh Where's the interface options? Oh, great. Okay, that's not helpful. That is less. That is job status. Updating. Oh god. No, I don't want fucking. Whee! Great. Okay, so we can't use Fusion 360. Get the fuck out of here. Why doesn't it have an option for that? Back to Blender. It's just we got the website up here. How to model in Blender. Like in Fusion 360. No, I don't want the differences. Why is Fusion 360 better than Blender for technical models? Wow, no shit. It's used for manufacturing. I don't want a junkyard workflow. I want to import models from Fusion 360. Create a kitchen in Blender in 15 minutes. I want a video. Fuck sake. How to model in Blender. Oh, this is good. Yeah. I don't want a video. I want a fucking... Oh, for fuck's sake. I want to check out this tutorial. Is it a video? It's a video. Fuck off. Why y'all gotta make videos about shit these days? Why can't you write? Why can't you type stuff? These are videos too! Ah, fuck it. You know what? Shit. I didn't even load Blender up, did I? It's like, what am I gonna do? Where's the line tool? Where's the face tool? Why is space? Why is the play? Why do I need a playback? I don't need a playback. Out. Out. I don't need any playback. Go. Object mode. You select add. Mesh. Plane. Okay. Okay, that I can no. No. So if I was to make that 1 meter, so a plane is a 2 meter square. Why? Why is it gotta be like this? Where are the settings? Where are the settings? No, what did I click? No! Where is it? No! No, okay. Object properties. Preferences. Edited. Great. Okay. So, okay. How do I turn symmetry on? Why can't I search the context menu anymore? I thought that was a thing. I thought that was Blender's. Stop it. Stop it. I hate this. What's this? Surface project. What's this? Orientation. What's this? Rotate. What's this? Scale. Transform. Annotate. Measure. Yeah, 2 meters. Wow. Okay. How do I get rid of this? No. No. Really? Measuring is adds a thing. Edit mode. Hi. Where's the symmetry button? Vertex mode. Sculpt. No. Okay, okay. I think we can maybe do something about this. Add modifier. Here it is. 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 Mirror. Axis. What? Is that X? Is that X? Is that X? Is that X? Is this X? Is that X? X is red. No. Yes. Yes, I want it mirrored across the X axis. Correct. Apply. Modifiers cannot be applied in edit mode. Apply. Edit mode. Not correct. The hell, man. Mirror, x-axis, boom. Apply. Yeah? So now if I go to edit mode, it doesn't mirror it. What the fuck? Blender, you are the biggest piece of fucking shit. How does that even work? Where are you even fucking mirroring from? It's like it's projecting a TP. Oh, hello. Okay, so maybe we wanted the y-axis mirror. Modifiers can be applied. Edit mode. Object mode. Apply. Boom. Okay, so what have we done? That is a mess. How did we get? How? Delete. Just add. Plane. Right. Where's my axes? Add modifier. In fact, you know what we're gonna do first? I'm gonna go to this, and we're gonna boom. We're gonna move it off the axis so that we can just work on. Why can't I move? Why can't I move? Why can't I pan the mouse? For fuck's sake, this is the stupidest program Why is it gonna be like this? WAS doesn't do anything, arrow keys don't do anything. I can only orbit. Who fucking invented this? It's powerful, sure, but the interface is still garbage. No punches pulled. Blender, get your shit together. Come on. What the fuck is this? How? What the fuck is this? Why isn't it mirroring? I want it to mirror across the axis, right? Why isn't it mirroring across the axis? We have the axes right here. Why isn't it? Why am I zooming on this fucking piece of shit here? What is this? Okay. No, that's still zooming on the fucking origin. That is useless. I don't get it. I don't get it. Where the fuck has it put it? Why? Why would you think it's clever to put it in the middle of fucking nowhere? What is this? What is this? I don't need this. I don't need this. So X, okay? So we're gonna move it out to there. Honestly, it's pissing me off that I can't fucking do anything here. How do I add a thing? What are the fucking controls for the 3D interface? Fucking give me my Internet Explorer. Blender 2.81 3D viewport camera controls. Fucking piece of shit. Mouse buttons numpad. If you have a mouse with less than 3 buttons or a keyboard without a numpad, see the keyboard and mouse page of the manual to learn how to use them with Blender. Oh well, this is fucking no. 5. Oh right, it's perspective and orthographic. This is rotation. I have rotation. I have rotation already. I don't need more rotation. Thank you. No more keyframes to jump in this direction. Good. Okay, this snaps to. What has happened to my plane? What the fuck is going on? I just want to get rid of this fucking piece of shit cursor. What is this? What is this? Cursor. Blender, disable cursor. Cursor. This pissed me off. Can't we hide the 3D cursor? Hi Grant, can't we hide the 3D cursor crosshair? Creating other object considered great because camera one for me use the place in the original scene. You know, Blender previously used Mayor to use the 3D cursor. I'd love to know. Fortunately, there's no way to hide disable the 3D cursor. It does have a few other uses. No, we give a shit. If you go to the properties and display and checkbox only render, checking this box will disable the grid and the 3D cursor and other non-render objects. You remove their position. These are simply click on this icon. 2.8 handling is possible by default. Apparently, it's considered sufficiently important that it made it into an official Blender update video. That goes straight to the part that mentions it. So not yet, but soon enough. In 2.8, hiding the 3D cursor is possible by default. I'm on 2.8. Preferences, navigation, interface. I'm gonna hit something. Can I not search? Can I not search these? Search? Can I search for a fucking thing? Input. There are no real options in these option menus. Nothing, none of this stuff does anything. Nothing! There is no option to hide it. I do not want this. Go. Options. No. Can I plug a controller in? Cool. Good. I don't know how those cables go all the way over there, but can I zoom around in Blender with an X input control? Oh. See, in Unreal, look at this glorious engine that doesn't do 3D design, 3D boy. Doesn't do 3D modeling in this boy. Well, I can, but it's not good. Oh, I cry. Why do people use Blender? For God's sake. So this is all, but I don't like this. How do I change the key bindings? Blender change key bindings. Editors, user preferences, input. Editors, sorry. Modeling. Layout, modeling. These are the same scenes, but okay. Oh, window. Input. Nothing here. There is nothing here. What does this button do? Oh no, this is an editor window, user preferences. Okay. Can I get one of those? Just no, I want to. It's really weird how you have to drag in one direction to make one. Drag in the other direction too. Preferences. Input. It's just the same window. It's exactly the same window that we just had. No. This is Blender 2.79, that's why. For fuck's sake. Select the key map you want to change and click on white arrows to open up the key map tree. I'm going insane. I'm literally going insane here. This is not fun. This is not fun. This is not even work. I'm not getting anything done. I'm just browsing the documentation for a program that is apparently loved by thousands of people around the world. Blender 2.8 3D viewport navigation. It's gonna be like here we go. Let's toggle the camera view. Oh. What button is this? What button? No, I want to give it a button. I would like to give it a button. Oh my god. Oh, for God's sake. Okay, it's kind of programming. This isn't really good enough, is it? Okay, that's rotating. Okay. Oh god. Use X input controller to fly Blender 3 viewport. Simple. Can a gamepad joystick use to controller view in Blender? No. Hi guys, welcome to the Let's Complain About Blender segment. You could set a joystick in the game engine, then record the motion as keyframes that could be used in animations. No. Numpad keys control rotation of the camera, so for during sculpting you could use joy to key to map those. As for fly mode, you can map it to mouse for that, I guess. If I use joystick, I won't map the numpad keys, but the mouse axis to the analog sticks with the macro attack, fit rotation, panning while I press the sticks. That way, the further I press the stick, the faster it rotates and pans, blah blah blah. Oh, for God's sake, why is it such an uphill struggle? Why isn't this just a feature that it has? I'm tempted. It's very tempting to open up Fusion, because I think Fusion has it as well. I think I can fly around in Fusion with a controller. Just a spite Blender. Oh, for fuck's sake. What is this? Why do I need this? There's 1,000 menus around my screen. I do not need this one. Okay? What am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with this? Oh, mirror. Hey. Interactive mirror. Where's it gone? That's like everything in Blender is just unnecessarily fucking stupid. The 3D cursor. Why does it exist? Why do I need a 3D cursor? Why can't you just understand? Why does the 3D cursor not have any fucking controls? Why does it not just default to 0 and disappear? There's no point in having a 3D cursor. Get rid of it! Get rid of it! Oh, I'm so angry. Cannot even believe how angry I am right now. I need the web browser up again. Let's just whip it over here. Edge split modifier splits an edge within the mesh. No, I want the button split an edge in two. Oh, for God. Subdivision. Control R. Yes! Edit mode. Edit mode. No, I want to select the edge. You. Oh, fuck. Hello. Select. Can I select the edge? Select the two pins and Alt R. Wow! It didn't do anything. That's fucking amazing. Select your edge. No, I want a 2D. I can't select a sync. Subdivide. Oh, okay, that works. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we subdivided. What do we need? What am I thinking? What am I doing? But for one thing, we can add a mirror modifier. Subdivide, and then this we want to move over here. Why? Right. Why doesn't this have a mouse button key? Why is there no binding? Panning across the view is like, oh no, I never want to pan across a view, mate. Panning across a view is for idiots, low IQ people. But like, you understand why I'm angry, right? You understand that this program is bullshit. And I'm sure hundreds of people have worked real hard to make it, you know, close to something good, but it's not good. It's not good. It's bad. And I'm sorry. I love free software. But it's just, I hate it. No, we're not saving this. No. Look at how easy it is to move around the 3D viewport in this program. Have we done anything today? We cleaned up something. We cleaned something up, I'm sure. I'm sure we cleaned something up. We added bushes to the background so people don't think that there's a playable area back there. It's been really unproductive. So I'm gonna make the 3D models off stream. I think I'll pin a post-it note to my forehead. Fuck off. Thank you, Windows, for trying to be helpful. Not helpful. It's 3D models. Learn to use Blender? No. No, I don't think so. Blender is just not a welcoming environment. It's not a software that works well doing anything that it does. It's an abrasive experience. It's not conducive to having a user touch it. But yeah, we didn't break anything at least. Music's fine, sound effects are fine. Gonna have to edit the VOD because of Fusion. Some reason, just fucking. Why would you put that information just on the front page, just where you're gonna be working? Like, I get it, maybe. If you're gonna have, you know, if you're in a dark room all by yourself, no one around you, no one watching you. Why is this flickering? Is it just the level bound? It's just the two. Why does it have to flicker? Anyway, what a great waste of time that was. Fantastic. Oh yeah, big news about C++. We're not going to stream anymore. I'm not streaming any more Primer. Not for the foreseeable, at least. It's not productive. I don't get through enough of the book. As it was a horrible reckoning when I got to the end of that stream, and I thought it's gonna take 3 years to get through the whole book. It's gonna take 150 weeks at our pace to do an hour a week, which is not enough. And so instead of oh wow, that's nice. Instead of wasting my time and yours not knowing C, not being good at C, and struggling through a horrible book. Why has this one got a weird shadow and this one doesn't? Is that, it's not in the shadow or something, is it? No. There's loads of light, mate. I'm gonna try and do it in my time, which frees up some time on Mondays for Unreal. Not that we used it, but it frees up more time for me off stream to. I've got some knives that I have to finish making, and that's also a nightmare. Everything I try and do is just a nightmare, isn't it? I am Mr. Nightmare. It is what it is. Don't worry about it. I'm fine. Not having a breakdown or anything. This is perfectly fine. So C++ won't be streaming anymore. I may engage with C++, not with the primer, but just with the language. I might write some program. I might finish that Arduino MIDI controller. That's close to C++. That's Arduino is based on C++. It's a C fork. So that could be cool. That could be fun. Yeah. So I'm gonna do. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna log out right now, and I'm gonna make that shotgun in Fusion, and I'm not gonna stream it. Or in fact, maybe I can. You know what? Maybe this can't be the end. Maybe how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna? No, I will do it offline. I currently it's not set up, and I don't know. Maybe I'll watch some tutorials on how to use Blender properly. I just don't get why it's so hard to use. Nothing about the program is intuitive. This, a little bit intuitive, you know? You click with the right button, you can look. You click with the left button, you can select things in the scene. Wow, that's how like a lot of other programs work. Granted, 2D programs will use the middle mouse button to scroll things, but oh look, the middle mouse button does panning. So you've got panning and camera control, and then you can use the WASD. I guess, okay, Blender isn't specifically aimed at people making video games. In fact, it was barely ever aimed at people making video games. It was usually used as a VFX tool, right? That's my understanding. It's an open source, free Python based VFX software. At its core, that's why it was invented. And there is the Blender game engine, but that is a subject for a different talk. But I don't know. A lot of people play video games, okay, and a lot of people use mouse input, and was sad. Up, down, left, right. I just feel like Blender interface could do with a lot more polish, and I cry every time I see like it makes me sad. I mean, it makes me happy when I see people doing like really cool tutorials on how to do cool things in Blender, but it makes me sad that it is just so unwelcoming to anybody who wants to use it. This is a pretty cool material, eh? It just why does it have to be so hard? Why can it not be like Fusion 360 where you can draw a shape with actual real world measurements, and you can have, you know, support geometry, and you can extrude from a sketch a 3D thing, and then you can do a sketch on the 3D thing, and then you can extrude. It's a much nicer workflow for making 3D things, especially, I mean, practically only mechanical things. But who wants to do like flesh? Nobody here wants to do flesh. Nobody here is interested in modeling stuff like plants and people. Fuck that shit. We hear about the guns and the text. That's all we're here to model. God damn it. Anyway, so yeah, what a disappointing episode. We were meant to break ground. We were meant to do stuff. We haven't done any stuff. We haven't broken any ground. Now I'm angry. It's 1 a.m. And now I'm angry at 1 a.m. So I'm gonna be up for fucking hours after this. Fuck. Yep, that's it. I'm gonna go. So, thanks for coming to watch the live video if you came to watch the live video. Thanks for coming to watch the video on demand if you came to watch the video on demand. Sorry, I got absolutely nothing done today. Well, it's not true. We put some plants in some planters to denote the level boundaries, which is nice, I guess. It's necessary at best. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.